Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing two powerful trading platforms, Trojan Bot and Autosnipe AI. Both offers automation and unique features, but which one suits your needs the best? This is what we will be taking a look at in today's video. Now, first of all, we have Trojan Bot. So this Telegram-based trading solution is optimized for the Solana network. Trojan Bot is built for speed and efficiency, offering advanced automation tools like DCA strategies, copy trading, and a cross chain bridge between Ethereum and Solana. So, if you are looking for fast, automated trades and asset transfers between two major blockchains, Trojan Bot could be the perfect fit. On the other side, we have Autosnipe AI, which is an AI powered trading platform that automates trades and allows you to copy top traders in the community. With features like AI Sniper and rug and scam detectors, Autosnipe stands out for its low fees and hands off approach to trading. It's perfect for those who want to let AI do the work while minimizing their cost. For your convenience, I've also created this table for you so that you could understand the features of both of these very clearly. So first, if we talk about the blockchain support, so Trojan Bot supports Solana with cross-chain bridge to Ethereum, whereas Autosnipe AI mainly supports Solana blockchain. If we talk about the user interface, so you can access Trojan Bot with the help of Telegram only, whereas with Autosnipe AI, you will get advanced AI-driven interface and you can even access it on web browser. Now, if we talk about some of the key trading features, in Trojan Bot, you will get DCA strategies, copy trading, and cross-chain bridge. Whereas in Autosnipe AI, you will get AI Sniper, copy trading, and rug and scam detector. If we talk about the fees, in Trojan Bot, you will have to face moderate fees, whereas in Autosnipe AI, so you can start your trading journey with as low as $5. So Autosnipe AI has very lowest fees due to its AI optimized priority fee feature. Now we talk about the target audience. So Trojan Bot is for Solana traders, those keep seeking fast executions, and Autosnipe AI for the traders who are looking for automation with lowest fees and who want to use these types of features. Now let's talk about the automation support. So in Trojan Bot you will get automated DCA and copy trading, and in Autosnipe AI you will get fully AI powered automated trading. Now, if we talk about the cross-chain functionality, so in Trojan Bot you will get it, whereas in Autosnipe AI you won't get the cross-chain functionality as of right now. Now the question arises, which one is better choice for you? It actually all comes down to what you are looking for or based on your own trading style. If you are a Solana trader and looking for fast execution and cross-chain functionality, Trojan Bot is a strong contender. But if you prefer AI-powered automation and want to minimize fees and benefit from the advanced risk protection, then Autosnipe AI is way to go. Both the platforms have their strengths, so your choice depends on your trading preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.